one thing, two thing, three. Oh my gosh, we got this, Grandma. Got one stroller, one suitcase, two strollers, two suitcases. Here we are. Okay. What? There they go. Thank you. Well, on this type of bus. Yay! We're here.
We found it. Oh my gosh. I felt like we'll be lost in the video. Can somebody push me in? The bathroom.
We made it! What do you see? Zebras?
Hey, look, get some ostrich. That's not ostrich.
Oh my gosh, they're right in front of us!
This is so awesome.
Those birds, they're like right there. We can go outside, you guys, if you want to.
Oh my gosh. That's what Chloe was so excited about.
Too excited that he bonked his head in the window. Now let's be quiet. Let's be quiet, okay?
Started to rain.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Welcome home, McDowell Demir party. Got the little dining area. Whole kitchen here that we will probably not really be using, but there's everything here.
Mama, I
Oh, and the little light fixtures. There's nothing in the fridge video.
So they were.
I'm using the bathroom, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And here's the pull down. Wow. This was just refurbished this past year.
Is that?
Yeah.
This latte goes to another
Yeah.
room.
I want to unpack my stuff on the table.
Here's the king bed in the bedroom with the TV, dressers, a little desk over here with all the charging stuff, bedside tables, a little chair you can look up. Oh my gosh, you guys, the zebras are right here.
No, that's what I was. Look outside, Elliot. How close the.
Like the cameras don't even do justice.
No, they don't.
That zebra is staring right at me. I feel like I can count the stripes. That's how close we are to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, that one is like itching its head or ear on the tree. Oh my gosh, unreal.
Mom and Lee.
Look at this bathroom. There's a bathtub, shower. Got all the necessities here. Lighting is great. And then you got a closed off toilet here, which is awesome. I love it. I love a closed off toilet. Oh, look at the artwork in here too. All handmade. And then this coat closet. Extra blankets, pillows. Even the carpet. I love this carpet.
What? Oh, where's my house?
Very African.
Where's my house?
And there's pictures, the fan. Oh my gosh, it is just
Mama.
the lamp shades, the mirrors, everything. Hey Disney.
Hey, Disney. We have a hay base night.
Hey Disney. Set an alarm for 6 a.m.
This is my stuff. This is my stuff.
You lay things out.
Can you go away, please? This is my stuff. Can you go?
And then this is the extra kid bed that pulls out.
Go!
Oh yeah, I can see it.
So this is like right off the lobby. They have all these nice seating area, little fireplace, nook, booth with all the artwork, and you can look out to the savannah. And they've got these little booths too, and rocking chairs outside. Ooh, and then right here they've got like a TV and some art on the wall too. This is amazing space. Even if you're not staying here, if you have a reservation at Sanaa and you're just waiting, you can come here. Very neat space, very peaceful. And the view of the savannah, you're just right there. And you can even go outside. Look out. Yeah. It won't open? Oh. I don't really see anything, do you?
Everything is at our house.
Yeah. That's the thing about wildlife is you can't control them. They just have to wait. Oh my god, the sun is bright and it's hot already. Whew. These little information things. So yeah, that crane that we keep seeing, East African crowned crane. And then the other one, marabou? I don't think we've seen that one.
No.
The wildebeest. And that's it. Yeah. This is the Kidani Village gift shop that also has different food items. We got all these African handmade.
I like this.
Yeah, it's so cute. How much is that? $14.99. Not bad, honestly, for being handmade.
It's cute.
Yeah. Look at all these plates too. Ooh, I like those plates down there.
Oh wait.
And the giraffe.
Oh, I like
These wooden carts.
hippo. I like this blue hippo.
Oh, it's cute.
$7.99.
How much?
$7.99.
Wow. Yeah. Very cute. It'd be a good souvenir. Some instruments here. Cute little things.
I like
And more over here. Yeah, I know. That's what I want to get, I think. Very cute. Some canes. We could get Grandma a cane. I think it's just a decorative thing. Keys. Yeah, you can hang. Necklaces. Yeah, elephant. Look at this mask over here. It's big. Look at that. That's a zebra?
That might actually fit at its
Face.
Ellie's head. It would probably fit
Yeah,
Ellie's
probably. And we got some pins here. Ooh, here's an Animal Kingdom Lodge one. I might want to get that. There's a Lion King pin set here too. Ooh,
That's a
DVC member welcome home pin. I haven't seen these pins before. I want to get all of them.
I think we might.
Yeah. We got these lanyards, 2026 pins. So many different pins.
Ooh.
What is that? Ooh, yeah, I like that with Walt on it. Yeah.
I saw that.
There's some ride ones. Expedition Everest. Ooh, Animal Kingdom. Oh, I wanna get so many of them. Chippendale ones.
Oh, this one's cute. It's so like sparkly.
It's like the puppet things, right? Like the toy.
Yeah, I brought me and Elliot brought.
A puppet toy.
Yeah, Elliot
Yeah.
brought a tiny pumpkin, and I brought a big bat.
Mm.
Oh no!
Yeah, from Up. That's cute. I like that one. Coco.
Oh look, it's
Winnie the Pooh.
oh, this one's cute.
Oh, bother.
This one's Winnie the Pooh reading a story.
DVC bag. Oh, this is cute. Tote bag, $19.99. Yeah. Vacation Club member. Oh my God, they have a lot of DVC actually. Merch, exclusive merch, I guess. DVC member shirt, like Spirit jersey kind of. DVC member keychain. Yeah. I haven't seen a lot of DVC exclusive merch until today. Ooh, this is pretty soft.
Oh yeah,
I like this shirt too. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. I love that Spirit jersey. Stay magical.
what size is it?
This one's, I think, extra small. Yeah, extra small. But I love all the merch here. Yeah, welcome home. Mugs too. But that tote bag is really cute. I like that. Trisha Mickey tote bag.
Disney
Vacation Club, yeah. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. We are finally here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village, after a long travel day, which by no means was there anything wrong with it. It was just really difficult traveling with 3 kiddos and 2 big strollers and lots of suitcases, juggling it all through. But we made it! Yay! We made it! And we were all famished, so we picked up some food from the Mara, which is over at the Jumbo House. So we had to take the bus over there, and then I mobile ordered, so we picked up our food right away, and kids ate. We all ate a little bit, and now we have a little bit of energy, so we're gonna check out the pool. It is kind of raining still, but it's still hot enough, and it'll help us sleep better tonight after getting some energy out. And yeah, the food at Mara was pretty good. Nothing outstanding, but very flavorful, and they still had cheeseburgers, chicken fingers, things like that for kids. We got our resort mugs, and yeah, MEARS Connect. We, I think, waited on the bus for about 30 minutes, but we were the first stop because the driver felt a little bad that we were waiting for so long. So overall, it still was like an hour to get total. Hi, Blair. So kiddos are all ready for the swimming pool. We're gonna go check that out. They saw the Jumbo House pool and thought that looked good. Well, we haven't checked out the Kidani pool yet, so
Mom,
it's gonna be.
Didn't you these are like tiny earplugs?
Oh.
Yeah. This season. No, yeah.
I think they really are.
They really are.
Yeah.
Cool. But I don't want them. And if you want you don't need to.
And earlier I did a little room tour, so we got the 1-bedroom Kidani Village. Everything has been refurbished. Everything looks amazing. It's clean, it's brighter here, which I've never stayed here before, but just everybody's saying that it was dark here before, but now since it's refurbished, everything's been brightened up. But there's so much artwork everywhere. The details in this room is amazing. Traveling with kids is so difficult. I feel like I'm gonna rip my hair out. Trying to stay focused and trying to be the best also, but being the planner, the executor, the everything, it's draining, y'all. It's really draining. If it was 1 kid, 2 kid, maybe, but 3, everybody's talking. It's like just exploding in my mind right now. My brain is fired on fire. My brain is on fire, and I feel like I can't even think to myself. It's not really vacation quite yet, but we'll get there. We'll settle in a little bit and hopefully get a good night's sleep. And once we're in the parks and stuff, we'll get a hold. But it's very difficult. Everybody did great on the flight. The flight was good. Everybody behaved well. Nobody threw a tantrum, as far as I know. I was seated with Billy, and Grandma was seated with Blair and Elliot. But yeah, overall, I think the flight was great. We did have a little bit of turbulence, but it was still good.